Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure that you subscribe before you leave, that way you'll never miss out on another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make an abundance bowl. You can make this on the night of Diwali, which is going to be on October 27th. It's also going to be the new moon in Scorpio. Basically, this bowl has herbs, cash, coins, crystals, and everything in it that is meant for attraction of money, protection of your finances, and just overall very good money energy. Oh, by the way, you don't have to make this bowl on Diwali or on the night of the full moon or the new moon. You can make this anytime that you want, anytime that you need. And with that being said, let's get started. All right, so here's everything you're going to need for your Diwali bowl or your abundance bowl. Okay, so you don't have to have each and every single one of these ingredients, okay? But I am gonna go through each of the ingredients that I personally use. So what you're gonna need is a bowl, of course. Here I have a clay bowl that is made with Lakshmi and Ganesh like already embedded in there. And you can use any bowl you want. Make sure that it's a clean bowl and it's pretty and you feel good about your bowl, okay? Because you're going to be using this to manifest money, to bless your money, and to protect your money. You don't have to have Ganesh and Lakshmi on your bowl or around your bowl if it doesn't resonate with you, but for me, it resonates with me and I want them to be near my bowl. So that's why I have this. You're also going to need fresh flowers. These are flowers that I got from my garden. So just pick some flowers from your garden, grab some from your local grocery store, it's fine. So the next thing you're going to need is change. Any kind of change that you have, loose change that you have laying around. You can also use cash. I have a $10 bill and a $20 bill that I'm going to be using here. You can also use your debit card. You're also going to need some cinnamon. You can have either cinnamon sticks, you can have ground cinnamon, and orange oil. It's okay if you don't have orange oil, but orange oil is amazing for attraction. This is an ingredient you have to have, which is fenugreek. Fenugreek is something that is very, very powerful for attracting money and abundance and growing your income, protecting your money. It's very, very, very good. And also we're going to use red roses. Red roses are offerings to Ganesh and Lakshmi, and also red roses carry a very, very high vibration. So that's why we're going to be using that. And the last thing, this is optional. Actually, two more things. You're also going to need pyrite crystals. Here I have like crushed pyrite that I do sell in my store if you guys are interested, or you can have a full pyrite crystal, or if you don't have a pyrite crystal, it's okay. This is just an optional thing that really amplifies the money energy. You're also going to need an aventurine crystal. If you have a citrine crystal, that's fine. Aventurine is the gambler's crystal. It is the crystal of money, wealth, prosperity. It's a very high vibration crystal for attracting money. And you're going to need a tea light candle. So here I have my hand painted ones. These are infused with pyrite crystals. They're up in my store, but you can use any tea light candle. You can use a plain tea light candle. It's up to you. The first thing I'm going to do is light an incense. This is completely optional, but I always like to get everything cleared, the energy cleared. And incense is a really good way to clear the energy and also to raise the vibration. And then what I do is kind of just let the smoke clear everything up. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is mix our change and cash into the bowl. So what I'm going to do is kind of just lay my cash down there and also put my coins over it. You can use $1, you can use just pennies, you can use just quarters, just dimes, whatever you have. Use whatever you have. So I'm kind of offering these to them. If you don't have the Ganesh and Lakshmi statues, you don't have to have them. You can just use a bowl and put your cash and your change in there. Next, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to drop a few of my crushed pyrite in there. After that, I'm just going to sprinkle some cinnamon right over my cash and my coins. If you don't have powdered cinnamon, you can actually use a cinnamon stick. I'm going to use both. Next, I'm going to just add a few rose petals. I'm just going to crumple those in there. This is to raise the vibration and also to offer these to Ganesh and Lakshmi. All right, next I'm going to drop my aventurine crystal in there. Now I'm going to take my fenugreek and I'm going to add these in there. I don't want to add too much. And last, I'm going to be using my orange essential oil. Now, if you don't have orange essential oil, you can use orange peels. Just make sure that you dry them first. Or if you just don't have oranges, it's fine. This is just raising the vibration, and orange oil is used for attraction. So I'm just going to drop that in there. Okay, so now that all my ingredients are in my bowl, I'm going to offer these flowers. You can either put them inside the bowl as offerings directly to Ganesh and Lakshmi, or if you don't have Ganesh and Lakshmi, you could just put them inside of the bowl. Or you could just, what I'm going to be doing is lining the front of the bowl and the back of the bowl with my flowers. And I'm actually doing these as offerings to them and also to raise the vibration. Line the flowers really cute around the edges of the bowl. If you can do this outside, right, like on your front entrance on the night of Diwali, which is October 27th on Sunday, this will be very, very powerful for attracting Lakshmi, attracting Ganesh, and also attracting money and prosperity and just abundance in all areas and all aspects of your life. Okay, so after that, I'm going to be taking my tea light candle and just placing that over all of the herbs and all of the money and the cash and the coins, and it's going to be like an offering to the Ganesh and the Lakshmi, and I'm gonna light that. And there you go, your abundance bowl is ready and it's charging. I already feel the energy is so beautiful. It's so, so beautiful. I'm so happy with this, and I'm actually going to be doing this today, tomorrow, and on the night of Diwali. You don't have to do this on just the night of Diwali. You can do this anytime, any day, anytime you want to. Just protect your money and attract money. And with this bowl, what I'm going to be doing is adding to it. You keep adding the herbs to it, keep adding the change and the money to it, keep lighting a candle over it. You can even light incense on it. What it does is it just amplifies the money energy in your life, and you're also giving money as an offering to Ganesh and Lakshmi. You're giving them flowers, and it just makes them really happy, and it makes you really happy because it's making me real happy. But yeah, I wanted to share this with you guys really quickly. If any of you guys are looking for like a ritual to do on Diwali, this is really quick and easy. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Diwali. Happy new moon in Scorpio. Bye.